Hello everyone, it's CHHUOY again, and today I will teach you how to insert emoji on Google Chrome when you comment or watching any lives from it. So today, the first time that you will to do with this, you need to search that called emoji here. Emoji Chrome extension here, and then hit enter. It will take you to this place, and you need to install by you need to see that there is an chrome.google.com, and we say it is a Chrome store, so you need to click that. Okay, wait a while because the internet is slower now, but it's not a problem here. And then here is the way that it's called Emoji Keyboard by Choice Pixel here, and the logo is here. And now click add to Chromes. Okay, now you click add to Chrome and then add extension here. Everything will start to download like this, and it's about 50 megabytes, so I need to skip some video here. After download complete, you will see this mark is sign on the top side here, and you don't need to click anything else. Just skip this and then refresh this page. And okay, now you go to your Google and start to comment it. You can see the icon here on the right hand side, and then you click on that and then click this one, just like that. And then you can choose everything that you want to do with command here. But for example, now I'm just using this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it already copy it. It means you can pass by press Ctrl V to command. Okay, now you click on this taskbar here and then click Ctrl V. So here is the sign that can comment on any Google Chrome in emoji mode here. So I think this video will help you a lot to comment when you are watching live video through Google Chrome. So thank you for watching my video tutorial from Khmerue Teams Official.